Let's go ahead and check in with Nick now. You were saying that we're going to warm up some more before we get another chance at some rain.
Yeah, it's like the atmospheric reset. We cooled off, we dried out, now the temperatures come up, then the humidity comes up, then our rain chances come up, and that's going to be the order of events here over the next week. Let's show you the pattern then. High pressure still in control. That's why we had so much sun here yesterday and even more sun today. That high is still going to be influencing our weather quite a bit tomorrow, as it will basically be on top of us. So we'll still have plenty of sun, perhaps even fewer clouds tomorrow than what we had here today, and temperatures will be warming up also as a result. Now we get toward the end of the week, though, that high starts to slide to the south of us. This is going to allow the humidity to start increasing, and that's going to also bring back the morning cloud cover that we haven't had a lot of here the last 2 or 3 days, but we'll start to get that more so by the end of the week. Meanwhile, then, that high starts to slide east as we go into the weekend and early next week. And at the same time, out west, a trough of low pressure. When you get a high to the east and a low to the west and a southwest flow into central Texas, that can often spell rounds of rain and storms. So we think that pattern is going to be with us for a good chunk of the rest of May once it gets going. Outside right now, mostly clear skies statewide. Not a drop of rain happening in Texas right now. Overnight stays clear for the most part, only a few patches of fog early, and then plenty of sunshine here for your Wednesday. And then as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday, some patches of fog. Otherwise, another sunny day with just some scattered high clouds pushing in. And then Friday starts the return of some of those low clouds mixing with the high clouds. So more of a mix of sun and clouds on the way here for Friday, but still dry. High of 90 here tomorrow, a light wind, high pressure on top of us, about 5 degrees warmer than today, upper 80s and low 90s. Problem is, with that light wind and with the high overhead, it can help to develop ground level ozone, which is not good for the air, not good for us breathing. Air quality alert for the metro, plus Bastrop and Caldwell counties here tomorrow. Not all of you will be affected by this, but certainly higher ozone levels down near the ground are unhealthy for some, and if you're sensitive to that sort of thing, you want to stay inside in the air conditioning. Otherwise, it's low 90s through Sunday, upper 80s here Monday and Tuesday. As the heat continues to build, humidity will too, especially Friday and through the weekend, when we'll turn very humid here by Sunday. Slim rain chance here Sunday, 10% or so, but a 40% rain chance on Monday, 50% rain and storm chance on Tuesday, and we think that's only just the beginning of what will be a new wet weather pattern, and we still do need the rain. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. That does mean that the weekend is mostly dry, aside from that isolated storm chance Sunday, but showers and storms Monday and Tuesday and beyond. The 8 to 14 day outlook is still wet.